Alright, y'all, we're going to run this snack rides for Deborah. We have 70 spots at $1 each. We'll buy 5, get 1 free. We'll copy our list. And go live at 8:44. It is 8:44. We'll roll the dice. We need a 7 or higher. Excuse me, a 6 or higher. Alright, we have 9, so we'll randomize for the first time at 8:44. After the first time, we have 70 items in our list. Heather on top, Pam on the bottom. Dice was 9, so we'll go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After the 8th time, we have Demetrius on top, Charity on the bottom. We've gone 8 times. Our dice is 9, so we'll do the last time at 8:45. Good luck. Congratulations, Pam. You are the winner. We had 70 items in our list. Spot 70. Pam is our winner. We have randomized 9 times. Our dice was 9, so we are 9 at 8:45.